Hello, Astro family. I'm Mrs. Boneta, and I teach kindergarten at Sabina Elementary. Today I'm going to teach a lesson on beginning subtraction. These are several different strategies that you can use when you're figuring out some simple subtraction problems. The first one we're going to talk about is kind of like one-to-one correspondence. So I'm going to count how many happy faces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 happy faces. Now I'm going to count how many hearts do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 hearts. Now if I were to take and cancel out each happy face with a heart, I'm going to pair them up. So I had 6 happy faces. Then when I took away the hearts, how many happy faces are left? 1, 2. So I can write this as a subtraction problem, starting with my biggest number of 6 happy faces. And I took 4 hearts away, then what was left? I had 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. Because since the vocabulary words that go along with subtraction are minus or take away. Let's look at the next strategy. This strategy is working with 10 frames, and this is a 10 frame, and as you can see, my 10 frame is full. So I'm starting with 10. So let's say I'm going to take away 6 from my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 10 minus 6. So how many are left over in my 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. Another strategy you can use is a number line. So I have a number line of 10 right here. So let's say I'm going to start with 9. So I'm going to put a dot on the number 9. Let's say from 9, I want to take away 3. So when I'm adding, I come forward on my number line. But when I'm subtracting, I'm going to go backwards on my number line because I'm taking away. So I've started with 9, so I'm going to hop back 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So what did I land on? I landed on the number 6. So I can say 9 minus 3 equals 6. Another strategy you can use is counting with some cubes. So let's count how many cubes am I starting with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 cubes. Okay, let's say I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I took 5 cubes away. So I'm minusing 5 from 10. So how many cubes are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Something else you can use, your 10 fingers. So if I have 10 fingers here, and I want to take away 1, 2, 3. So I've put 3 of my fingers down. How many fingers do I have left? Well, I know there's 5 fingers on one hand, so I can count on from 5. 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Some other things you can use around your house when you're doing subtraction, you can use a hundreds chart. So you can say that if I'm going to start on number 7 and I'm going to take 2 away from 7, I'm going to go back 2 numbers, 1, 2, and I landed on the number 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Some other things you can use are just some simple objects around your house. You know, you might have some markers, some Legos, maybe some cotton balls. So you can use those, count how many you want to start with, take away some, and what do you have left over? so you can come up with your own subtraction problems. Another fun video to watch is the one that Mr. and Mrs. Stalin did, where they used some playing cards. You can do the same thing with those and come up with some subtraction problems. Maybe you want to write some of them down and keep track of and log all the subtraction problems that you do. So that's just a simple way of some different strategies you can use as you're starting to learn to do some subtraction. Have a great day and go Astros!